Okay, we're trying to evaluate this for this function here. This is our f of x function. F of x is this. So f of x plus h, again, x plus h has replaced x, so every x gets replaced by x plus h. When I ask this problem, I really don't want to see you write 2x squared plus x cubed plus h. That's not what it is. But that's what I see 50% of the time at this stage in any pre-calculus course, okay? You got to be straight on what it means to write out the expression for f of x plus h when you have the expression for f of x. It means every x gets replaced by x plus h. So we need to be over that. I know we probably won't be right away, but there it is, okay? So in this expression, your f of x plus h is going to be 2 times x plus h squared plus x plus h cubed. And then you have minus f of x. Now, if you're going to write out minus f of x, it's got to be minus the whole f of x, right? So it'll be, and I'm going to have to kind of bunch things up here, but it's minus the whole quantity f of x, which is your 2x squared plus x cubed. And all that is over h. Okay? Now that would all be written out on one line above the fraction line here, right? I didn't have room because I could have written this out over here, but I didn't have that much foresight. Okay? And I hadn't planned on writing this out here. Never mind. There's reasons, no excuses. Okay, so now we simplify this. Now, a lot of people have done this correctly on homework already, okay? Less than a majority of the class, okay? Probably a number of people I could easily count on one hand, but some people are doing this correctly, and other people are to the point where they're ready to start doing it correctly, okay? So if you're not doing it correctly, do it correctly, okay? What do we have to do now? We have to use the distributive law to expand this and this, right? Okay? And then we simplify the numerator that we get. Okay? And then we divide that by h. All right? So I'm going to ask you to complete that as part of your homework. Yeah, just keep your wits about you. Write out everything that needs to be written out. Yeah, a little unfamiliar. Potential be a little bit confusing, but if you follow the rules, you'll be able to do it. Because a lot of people are already doing it, okay?